in the run-up to the election, we are already seeing signs of that, is the opposition targeting this government and saying that it is in favor of crony capital, ye Adani Ambani ki sarkar hai, and there is a environment that seems to be sort of coming back of targeting corporates, including on the electoral bonds issue. Do you think this will damage sentiment again in business, which has taken so long to come back to a certain positive level?
No, I think all these things, people realize that these kind of allegations, they do not hold, they don't hold any value, because in India there is a lot of transparency. I mean, we are competing all the time against Adani. Okay, so some places where if they are bidding higher, they win it, and some places where we bid higher, we win it. So there's a equal playing field. There's a level playing field for everyone, and there's a lot of transparency in the system. And as far as the word used, crony capitalism is concerned, in India there is no crony capitalism. All these industrialists, whether you talk about Tatas or Birlas or Adanis or Ambanis or Jindals, you see their history, you see their background, from what kind of humble beginnings they have grown, the kind of risks they have taken, the kind of investments that they have made across. And then there's so many companies all in this journey. There are thousands of companies. These are only few hundreds of successful cases. There are hundreds of cases who have failed. There are thousands of entrepreneurs who have failed also. So it's like entrepreneur, the word itself, is a person who is very enterprising, who takes the risks, okay, who borrows money, who puts the money. Many succeed and many more fail in it. Okay, so we have had a very challenging time also, but God was very kind. We've always worked very honestly in the company, and we could rise. We could become stronger. So it's just like, I think it's very unfair when people comment on crony capitalism, etc. There is no crony capitalism. Okay, so I feel in India, all these people, all these families who have done well, if you would actually study them, their stories are extremely inspiring.